Here's how you can add policy pages like refund policy, terms of service, privacy policy, and shipping policy to your Shopify store and display them in the footer. First, go to your Shopify Dashboard and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. From there, scroll down and click on Policies. Shopify offers templates for most policies, so you can easily get started. For the refund policy, click Create from Template, then review and edit it to fit your business needs. Do the same for the privacy policy, and make sure to adjust any placeholder text. Use the template for the terms of service, but don't forget to customize it to your store. For the shipping policy, Shopify doesn't provide a template, so you'll need to write it yourself. Once you've added your business contact details, click Save after editing each policy. Next, to add these policies to the footer, go back to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to Online Store Navigation. Under Footer menu, click Edit menu. You can remove any unnecessary links, like the default search link. Then click Add menu item. Choose policies from the list and add each policy page you created. Don't forget to click Save after adding all your policy links. If you want to remove Shopify's default footer policy links, go to the page builder, click on the footer section, and scroll down to find the option that says Show Policy Links. Disable this option to remove them. Now, you can rearrange your footer to make the policy links more prominent, like placing them in the center. In the page builder, click on the footer menu and delete any extra text or headings you don't need. After that, make sure to save your changes. Once everything is set, your policy links will appear in the footer, giving your customers easy access to your refund policy, terms of service, privacy policy, and shipping policy.